Meaning of force majeure.
Force majeure.
Force majeure.
Force majeure.
Force majeure. Force majeure refers to unforeseeable events or circumstances beyond a party's control that prevent them from fulfilling their contractual duties. These events may include natural disasters, war, terrorism, strikes, and other similar occurrences that cannot be reasonably anticipated or prevented by the parties involved. When force majeure is invoked, it typically results in the suspension or termination of the contract without liability for either party. Essentially, it releases the parties from their obligations or liabilities due to circumstances beyond their control.